So when you call his phone, that signal goes all the way to space to a satellite, and then it travels back down to this phone. So what if that signal could be intercepted?
That's not right.
You hear it? I hear it right there. One, done. Two, you hear it? Three. Okay, now let me ask you a question. What if somebody could change your ringtone? You know, when somebody calls your phone, you know the signal goes all the way up to a satellite and then it comes back down from space.
Yeah.
Now, if I wanted to actually do that, if I wanted to change your phone, like I'd have to get into your menu functions, I'd have to do all kinds of crazy stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that. It's your phone, right? All right, we're gonna try something, okay? See if we can do this. I want you to call his phone again. This time I'm gonna change the ringtone, and instead of whatever it was, it's going to be the Star Spangled Banner.
Oh.
All right? All right? If I could do that, wouldn't that be wicked?
Yeah, all right, right now.
Watch very carefully. You're gonna see it the minute the call comes in. You're gonna see. Watch.
That's a cool version too. What? That's Jimmy's version. Get out of here, bro. I don't even have that ringtone. Come on, man. Get out of here, bro.
I could leave it like that, but I wouldn't want to do that to you. You know, you like your own ringtone. So here, let me just take it away. All I have to do is take it, throw it away.
All right.
Let's check and see if his ringtone's back.
Yeah, it is bad. It's not right. Wow. Wow. That was sick. That's not right at all. Get out of here, wow. Come on, hey.
Do you guys have a favorite Christmas song, holiday song, by any chance?
Jingle Bells.
I don't know why you thought of that song, but that's a good one. Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells. Listen. It's done. Jingle Bells is your new ringtone. Wouldn't that be cool?
Very cool.
Not only are you going to see it, but you're going to hear it.